Vacuum B-raised diamond finger bit diamond milling bit for tile. Stone. Porcelain hard ceramic granite and marble. Versatile diamond finger milling bits are designed to enlarge, shape and round bevel existing holes in porcelain. Hard ceramic. Granite and marble and is also suitable to create round side indentation necessary to accommodate pipes or electric wire lines. You can use our milling finger bit to expand existing holes to different sizes or shapes. No need to purchase several quart drill bits. Great for granite, porcelain, ceramic or marble countertops, bathroom tiles. High hardness and strength. This vacuum B-raised diamond finger bits milling bits are made of premium diamond and durable metal.